Military groups in Indiana say a bill on its way to the governor's desk will take away a fundamental right from National Guard men and women. WRTV State House reporter Meredith Hackler breaks down the bill and tells us why supporters believe this is a needed change.
The Indiana National Guard is called to service in times of crisis, and they're held to a higher standard. When they break military rules they're bound by, they are disciplined. That discipline is called a non-judicial punishment.
A non-judicial punishment is an administrative action. It doesn't require rules of evidentiary procedure. No one has to prove that you did or didn't do what you were accused of doing or not doing at all.
If a service member doesn't agree with the accusation, they can challenge it by requesting a court-martial.
The accused has the chance to confront witnesses, to have a defense attorney, to have all of these things that we associate with good and just legal system.
But House Enrolled Act 1076 would change that. The legislation would no longer allow active National Guard members to call a court-martial if they don't agree with their commanding officer's accusations.
This would be like removing the HR department from a massive corporation and telling employees, if you have a problem with your boss, too bad, they get to do what they want.
But the author of the bill says there are other safeguards in place to make sure National Guard members still have due process.
You have the right to present evidence in mitigation, the right to call witnesses, the right to have someone from your unit speak on your behalf. You have the right to appear personally before the commander. You have a right to appeal his or her decision to the next superior commander or to a disinterested commander. So there's not many places I know that you work that you get those kinds of rights if your employer wants to write you up.
Representative Jeter feels this bill will help the National Guard function more efficiently.
The goal at the end of the day is to maintain a National Guard that is ready, that is disciplined, that is the best of the best, people that want to be there. And really these tools help commanders get there without unnecessarily elevating these issues to a place they don't need to be.
Meredith Hackler, WRTV.
Non-judicial punishments are disciplinary actions for minor offenses. For issues like sexual assault or other serious crimes, a court-martial would still be held. We just in the last few moments received a statement from the Indiana National Guard about this measure. You can find that in this story at WRTV.com.